Hey friends, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to make 4 music sheet Christmas DIYs using Dollar Tree items. Let's get right into crafting. So our first DIY, we are going to make some decorated votive holders, and we're going to need this free printable Christmas music, 2 glass votives from the Dollar Tree, any kind of accent that you want. I'm going to use this snowflake ornament that I picked up, some glue, and you might want some ribbon. I'm also going to be using some glitter and some florals, possibly. I haven't quite decided. It's one of those things where I'm going to play with it until I find what I like. So to begin, I am actually just going to tear the Christmas music into sheets. Now, I am just going to try to figure out how thick I want them to be based on how much of the glass I want exposed. Now, one of the things that is important that you're going to see I kind of messed up right here is you want to pull and tear the paper towards you if you want the white edge to show, which I did. And then you're going to simply just use some Mod Podge, or I just personally use like white glue with a little bit of water in it, and you're going to apply the Christmas music all the way around the glass votive. Now, here's where you can see I'm playing with different ideas, and I wanted to keep this in the video because maybe you like one of these ideas better than I did. But I tried wrapping twine around and some ribbon that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Ultimately, I decided not to put anything around the center of it because I really wanted the Christmas music to show. But I did decide to accent the edges with some silver glitter. For the center of my votive, I decided to tear apart that larger snowflake ornament that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use 2 of the pieces and just hot glue them in the center. Then I just add a votive candle in the middle of both of them. I made 2, and they look adorable. Now, I do want to take time and mention that I am taking part in the Ultimate Christmas DIY Decor playlist that Natalie Callahan from the Design to the Nines is hosting. So I will have a link down in my description box to this Ultimate playlist so you can go check out everyone else's Christmas DIYs. For DIY number 2, I am going to decorate this gray frame that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. You're also going to need another one of the printable Christmas music sheets. And I also have a few other things I picked up, some ornaments, this garland, and some of these other decorations from the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure yet exactly what I'm going to do. You will need hot glue and scissors as well. It's another DIY where I kind of just play with the different things until I find what I like. So to begin, I'm just going to trace out and cut out this music for the frame. Now, I decide to use this star ornament, and I just clipped off that little tip that you could tell is where you would hang the hook to hang it on the tree, and some of the greenery from this floral pick, and I'm just playing around with it until I see how I like it. Now, one mistake I made is if you look, you can see that the star is a little bit far down, so I had to actually, once I tried to stand up the frame, I had to take all of this art off and re-glue it. So just make sure that whatever you use to decorate your frame is high enough up that you can actually stand the frame up. Unless you're going to hang it on the wall, then I guess it doesn't matter. I want to take a minute and just introduce myself if you are new to my channel. My name is Julie, and on my channel I love to inspire you with DIY and home decor on a budget. So if that's something that interests you, please hit the subscribe button down below as well as the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I would also love it if you just comment down in my comment section and just let me know that you're new and that you're visiting. Now let's get to more crafting. For our next DIY, we are going to decorate this metal base for a Christmas tree. We're going to need several sheets of the Christmas music, any kind of base. I happen to have this tin one, but anything that you find will work. Some moss, some rocks from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to end up using this berry garland and 2 of the little small artificial Christmas trees from the Dollar Tree. So to begin, I am going to do the same process I've done before, except for this time, I am just going to tear the Christmas music up into many different shapes, sizes, Just basically it's going to look like scraps of music. And then I'm going to Mod Podge it all over the base of this tree stand. Now once I have the base covered the way I like it, I'm going to put a few of the rocks down in the bottom of the tin just to hold the tree in securely, because it actually is kind of heavy. And I am just taking scrap pieces of floral foam and sticking it in here so that I can hold the tree. Now after I have fluffed the tree, I'm going to kind of push all of the branches to one side on both of them so that I can make one thicker tree. And I'm going to take a branch, I'm hoping that you can see what I'm doing here. I take a branch and I'm going to wrap it around the base. This is how I make the two trees into one thicker tree. The branch that wraps around the metal center keeps them together. And then I'm just going to push it. It actually took a little bit of strength to get this into the floral foam, and ultimately I could just tell it wasn't going to stick well, so I ended up hot gluing the base into the floral foam. And then I just wrapped it in the pitberry and used the extra star ornament that I had to put on the top. I kept this really, really simple. For the next DIY, you are going to need some more of the Christmas music. These ones I actually printed in more of a 4x6, 5x7 size, and you're going to need some cardstock and whatever sticker, letter stickers that you find at the Dollar Tree. I found both of these and I thought they would both work. And then I also picked up this pack of snowflake ornaments, and I'm also going to be using some of this twine. Now I already went through and ripped all the way around the edges, and now I'm just going to glue it onto the cardstock so that it has a really good solid base, because we're going to make some garland. And I like using the white glue in this specific situation because it actually kind of gives the paper a wrinkly look, and I like that. I feel like it looks a little bit aged. And I chose to use the word peace, but you could use Merry Christmas, you could use joy. I'm sure there's so many different things that you could use as your words, but I just decided I liked peace. And then I laid it out the way I wanted it on the garland, and I decided to put the snowflakes in between each letter. I thought maybe I would use the snowflakes as an accent on the paper, but I decided not to do that. And I'm just going to use a hole punch a hole on each side, and then feed the twine through the letters, making sure that I don't forget to put the snowflakes in between each letter. And actually, for the word peace, unplanned, I have exactly enough snowflakes to have one on each end and in between each letter. Now, after just looking at it, I decided that it needed something. I didn't know what it needed, but it needed something. And the snowflakes were glittery, so I decided to add some glitter to the bottom of the letters. Now, don't do it as I did it. It was very hard to glue and put glitter on after it was already assembled. It would have been way better to just do this prior to me assembling it, but that's just the way life is when you're crafting sometimes. And I ended up actually just taking my finger and smearing the glitter all over the bottom. These burlap ribbons that are glittery were also from the Dollar Tree. You get 2 in a pack. If you are looking for some more music sheet DIY decor, I did make a video last year of Christmas ornaments using printable Christmas music, and I have that linked here, so be sure to go check it out. I also will have my Christmas playlist with all my other DIYs on it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next video.